A soldier am I, all the world o'er I rage, and would not my lord with the monarch exchange. How welcome a soldier wherever he roves, attended like Venus by loves and the loves. How dull is the ball, and how cheerless the fare. What's a feast or a frolic if we are not there? Kind-hearty and gallant and joyous we come, and the world looks alive at the sound of the drum. Not a soldier, the generous, the brave, the heart that can feel and the arm that can save. In peace the gay friend with the manners that charm, the thought of the liberal, the soul ever warm. In his mind nothing selfish or pitiful, no, 'tis a temple which honor can enter alone. No titles I boast, yet wherever I come, I can always feel proud at the sound of the drum.